Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's talk about what sets the NT650 Elite apart. This car code scanner can identify the vehicle and get the data of the control module under testing quickly. Scan the ABS module to retrieve and display any available trouble codes, live data and system tests. ABS test. Evaluate the performance of ABS motors, solenoids, solenoid enable relays, EMBs, and related components. ABS version. Test. Display detailed information about the brake system, including the ABS controller name, version number, software ID, and sequence value. The NT650 Elite is an advanced automotive diagnostic tool that functions as a powerful code reader and service device, offering 25 maintenance features. These include ABS bleeding, SRS reset, SAS reset, EPB reset, oil service reset, and many more essential maintenance operations. After replacing the battery, register the new one with the vehicle's ECU and update its parameters to reflect the new battery's details. This includes entering the correct capacity, technology type, manufacturer, and serial number. As a car owner, a flashing check engine light can be both confusing and concerning. This warning often indicates problems such as clogged fuel injectors or issues with engine combustion. Injector coding involves programming precise data into the engine control module, ECM, to ensure optimal injector performance. This data includes key parameters such as injector flow rate, as well as opening and closing times. Specifically designed for diesel particulate filter, DPF systems, supporting DPF regeneration, DPF component replacement calibration, and DPF reprogramming after engine control unit, ECU, replacement. Support English, Italian, Germany, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Turkish, Polish, Dutch, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, etc. If you're a DIYer mechanic or anyone who loves working on cars, the Foxwell NT650 Elite gives you a lot of power for the money. It's reliable, easy to use, and packed with features that'll save you trips to the shop. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check out the latest price or grab one for yourself. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more automotive tool reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.